It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I'm excited on this one. Eggs Benedict. I'm going to do it like a little different. Instead of Canadian ham, I'm going to do prosciutto. And the Hollandaise, I'm not going to do it traditional. I'm going to do it in a blender. Pretty quick. It's going to be good. So first thing what we need to do is melt the butter. Unsalted butter. So add your butter to the pan. Right, my butter's melted, nice and warm. You don't have to remove the solids. It's not necessary, and personally I think there's more flavour. Right, now for the blender. So first, in the blender, add your egg yolks. Some white wine vinegar. And what makes the Hollandaise shine is the acidity, the white wine vinegar, or the white wine. It just makes it pop, beautiful. So a little touch of salt, just to start it off. Right, I'm going to grab my butter. It's at a nice temperature, lukewarm. It's not red hot. If it was red hot and I put it in there, it's going to scramble the eggs. We don't want that. But if you want a quick Hollandaise, I promise you, it's going to work out every time. I'm just going to pour it into a jug so I can pour it in easy. Got a nice little spout on there. I'm going to start off slow and add the butter slowly. Switch the blender on medium. Add the warm butter until it's emulsified. This should take about a minute. Oh yeah, beautiful. How simple and easy was that? Easy. There's a few things that can actually go wrong. If you over blend it, it can go watery. And if it does, you can thicken it up with a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of potato flakes, egg yolk is good. Also, if it gets a little too thick, you can add a little bit of water and that'll loosen it. It won't split, but it'll loosen it. But that is perfect. So at the end, a little bit of lemon juice. A little squeeze of that, not too much. And just for a little bit of kick, a little bit of cayenne. Smoked paprika is good in this as well. Season to taste. We're good to go. To keep the sauce warm, use a bain-marie. Right, now my Hollandaise is nice and warm, and that'll keep warm. So what else I'm going to be using? I'm going to be using some English muffins, room temperature eggs. I'll talk about that in a minute. And some prosciutto, some beautiful prosciutto. Anytime I'm doing Eggs Benedict, I always choose prosciutto. I just love its fat content. I think it tastes better than Canadian ham. I love its unique saltiness, especially with the eggs and the Hollandaise sauce. It's just got a better flavour and I prefer it, but you do you. And when poaching eggs, make sure that your eggs are at room temperature. If they're not, you put them in the water, it's going to lower the temperature of the water and it's going to make them cook longer. Very important, room temperature. Right now for the poached eggs. First, add white wine vinegar to the water. This keeps the egg white together. Bring to a boil, then simmer. Next, using the slotted spoon, make a whirlpool. Add the eggs in the same direction of the water. Now cook for 3 to 4 minutes. When cooked, add to paper towel to remove any excess water. Just going to tuck in. Oh yes. It's delicious. Of course it's going to be delicious. It's Eggs Benedict. I did a nice simple side salad, that beautiful poached egg, that prosciutto. I love the saltiness that comes through. Beautiful. Try it in a blender. Try it in a blender because it's quick, easy, and delicious. Thanks, guys.